Welcome to the Kit Stop guide for programming our KSSM-300S Digital Recorder. When your pack arrives, it should look something like this. We leave it for the individuals to arrange for the connection between the battery holder and the actual module. You will need a USB connecting cable. Just checking that the system's working. All we've done is connect the battery. So it's programmed and working okay. Just out of interest, that's hear the difference audio quality. That's a separate science, not part of this video. Just a footnote, before we go and program it, make sure that the external battery supply is off, and turn off on the switch up here as well. So when we're programming, you only want the supply coming from the USB cable, otherwise it won't recognise and write to the memory on the card. Connecting the USB cable to the module and then to the computer. That's a healthy sound. If you don't get that sound, change your cable. You should also find a dialog box should open on your computer. This is the default program that comes on the device from the factory. Just remove that, just in case there's any issues of size for what we want to put on there. So here is an MP3 file that I prepared earlier. Copy. And we'll go and test the module offline. Just testing after programming it from the computer. The sound is fairly quiet. It's just done on a mobile phone out in the bush in Tasmania. Here is a trap for young players. Not all USB cables are created equal. We have 6 cables here, all of them going from USB-A to USB-B micro format, which is what's needed for the module. 3 on the right do not have the data lines connected. They're used purely for charging, USB charging of smartphones. 3 on the left do have. It's very hard for beginners to identify the difference, and traps for young players. What we have found with modern cables, if you get one of these ones with the adapter, so it goes from USB-B to a different format. That's all the data wires are connected there. This one that we use a lot in the workshop, short, much thicker than most of the others, all full cable connection. These ones are cheap, thin, and don't work. Watch out. Thanks for watching. We hope this has been useful. For information on this module and all our other recorders, please visit our website. Links are included in the description below this video.